Shun FSC motion sensor light, rechargeable with remote control. Let the light welcome you, motion activated, instantly. Fits anywhere, from hallway to closet and beyond. One tap to adjust brightness and tone, cozy or clear, it's up to you. Install in seconds. The magnetic mount makes it simple, no tools required. Use screws for extra stability. Perfect for hallways and stairs. Bright coverage made easy, from closets to basements. 4 simple buttons. Control light, color, motion, and more. Recharge anytime via USB.